Welcome guys to the tutorial info channel. In front of me is OPPO A15s, and in this video I am going to show you how to check battery temperature using Ampere app on this device. Alright, so to do this, firstly we have to just install Ampere app from Play Store, or we have to restore the app. Oh, it's working. So we have to install Ampere. As you can see, it's already installed on my device, so I can open it. And right here is temperature of my battery. And basically that's it. If you did enjoy this video, leave a like and subscribe. Thank you guys for watching. Bye!